So with my ant research, it's been shown that ants have this thing called a necrophoric or undertaker behavior, where when they smell a dead ant body, they take the dead body and they put it away from the nest. And we've been able to find which chemicals produce this behavior, this necrophoric behavior, and the three chemicals I want to talk about are stearic acid, oleic acid, and linoleic acid. In the fatty acid composition of ants, oleic is the heavy majority, like 60% of all fatty acids are oleic. Stearic is second most at like 15%. And then linoleic of these three is the absolute least. It's less than 2% usually of fatty acid in ants is stearic. However, when you look at which ones produce the undertaking behavior, oleic produces it about 60% of the time, stearic produces it about 20% of the time, and linoleic produces about 50% of the time, which doesn't line up with their fatty acid composition. But the structure of oleic and linoleic is very, very similar. So the point of my experiment is to show that linoleic and oleic use the same odor receptor in ants. So that basically reading these two as the same, but it would make sense that the odor receptor is more adapted to oleic acid, and that's why it's less responsive to linoleic. And the way I'm proving that is it's been shown when oleic and stearic are used together, it produces an even higher necrophoric response. It's synergetic, but it's never been tested that I could find of oleic and linoleic. And if they are using the same odor receptor, then this should produce a disharmonious effect where it'll be less necrophoric response rate than the oleic acid.